Today I'm going to share with you 2 books that provide the roadmap to diabetes remission. Hey, this is C. So I'm going to be reviewing these 2 books, The End of Diabetes and The Glucose Reset Bible. The first book, The End of Diabetes by Dr. Joel Fuhrman. Some of the chapters in the table of contents are Don't Medicate, Eradicate, High Protein, Low Carb, The Truth About Fat, The 6 Steps to Achieving Our Health Goals, and there's more. There's a little under 300 pages. I placed tabs here so I could easily find information to refer back to. In this book, you'll find testimonials, recipes, also some medical information, the physiology of the body as it relates to type 2 diabetes. I definitely would recommend this book, and I would say especially for those that are plant-based type 2 diabetic, because there's a lot more plant-based recipes in this book. The next book. This is the Glucose Reset Bible by Margot Ferguson. Hope I'm saying the name correctly. There's chapters or information on understanding blood sugar, the damage of spikes, breakfast recipes, lunch recipes, dinner recipes, snack recipes, strategic movement, sleep and hormones, stress reduction, supplement support, and even more in the table of contents. There's about 30 or more recipes in this book. It talks about how type 2 diabetes affects hormones, sleep, stress. It does go into some physiology, but not as in-depth as this book. I would recommend this book to type 2 diabetics that are meat eaters, because most of the recipes, if not all of them, contain some type of animal protein. You can check out the books on Amazon. I'll leave the links in the description. Let me know if you've read any of these books, or if you have any books that you recommend for a roadmap to remission for type 2 diabetics. All right, thanks for watching.